the Dev Zone once again, but now I'm with Terrence Ryan, who's one of my favorite coworkers. I'm not gonna lie about that. But so this demo in particular, it's a digital postcard, is that right?
Yeah, that's kind of the idea. The idea is you take a selfie or picture, and we will bounce it around our network, our private network, all around the world, and print it out for you. So the pictures that you get over here are pictures that have traveled around the world digitally.
Oh my gosh, and so that's what these stamps are, each
Data center, each data center, we have a stamp for it, and it doesn't stamp it until it's in that data center.
Now, when you talk about a private network, you mean the actual physical cables and data centers that Google built around the world, right?
Yeah, exactly. The same data centers and same infrastructure that powers search and mail. Also, under the covers, it's available to Google Cloud customers as their private network. So whenever you talk between one machine and another machine on Google Cloud, it's always traveling on our network. It never leaves the network. And so you get much better performance in terms of being able to communicate and security because it's not leaving, it's not on the public internet.
Oh my gosh, this is actually one of my favorite facts about Google Cloud. It's a fun fact, which is we built an infrastructure to power our search, and then we started opening that up to other people so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. But it's really important that we make it easy to use. Was this pretty easy to set up?
Absolutely. Like one of the great things about Google Cloud's default networking in our projects is if all the machines are in the same project, all the VMs are what are powering the relaying and the stamping here. If they're all in the same project, then they are automatically wired to talk to one another without a developer having to do any work to make that happen. And so what that allows you to do is kind of get started without having to set up like VPNs and VPCs to get all that working. All of that is done for you. All the routing is done for you. And if you want, this is an open source project, so you can actually pull down and see how we set it up and see that like it really is that super simple.
And I like that it makes it accessible to someone who might not have that networking experience or background, but so long as they can understand the theory, they can actually get going.
Yep, exactly.
This is so exciting. I love this demo. I am so happy to take home my photos. And more importantly, the fact that it is open source means that anyone at home can play along, even if you don't get to have your own cute photo to take home. And I hope you'll have a great time, and thanks for joining me in the Dev Zone.